Leslie here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where today I'm going to do the tutorial for the dance "Oh No." Like "oh no," but "oh no." It's choreographed by Felix Casado and the music is "Oh No" by Chris Young. It is a high beginner dance with 36 counts and 4 walls. Here we begin. Start with the weight on your left foot. Your right foot is going to go behind, left foot side, right foot side. Repeat with the left. Left foot behind, right foot side, left foot side. Repeat again with the right. Behind, side, side, and again with the left. Behind, side, side. Those are called sailor steps. And the counts for sailor steps are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, one more time. Slowly we have behind, side, side, behind, side, side, behind, side, side, behind, side, side. And those are your first 8 counts. Now, second 8 counts, you're going to do a kick with the right leg, replace it, kick with the left leg, replace it, stamp, and give a clap. So that is kick, switch, stamp, clap. The counts for that are 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Going on, we are going to take our shoulders, lean forward a little bit, give a shoulder shake, and then a shoulder shake back, and then a hip forward, and back, and forward, and back. So I'm already on the diagonal because I've already done my stamp and clap. So I'm going to shoulder 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hips 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. From the kicks we have kick, switch, stamp, clap, shoulder shake, hips 2, 3, 4. One more time with counts. That is 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going on, we are going to take a shuffle forward, which is right foot, step, together with the left, step with the right. Then we're going to do a step pivot, step forward with the left, pivot keeping the feet where they are, just letting them swivel. And now you're doing half a pivot over that right shoulder to face 6 o'clock. We're going to do another shuffle step going forward with the left foot step, together step. We're going to step forward with that right foot and we're going to do a pivot, but this time it's a 3/4 of a turn pivot over your left shoulder, all the way around. Looks complicated, but it leads into a grapevine, which is easy, makes it very easy to do that. So, here we go. We have the right foot is going to forward shuffle, 1 and 2, step left, 3, pivot 4, and 5 and 6, step forward, pivot all the way around to 9 o'clock. So from the top, we have got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's why it's got 36 counts. It's kind of unusual. We usually have 32 counts, so there's an extra 4 counts in there. Alrighty, let me say the whole thing from the top with the vocabulary. We have sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, sailor step, kick, switch, stamp and clap, shoulder shimmy, bump, 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 shuffle right, 1 and 2, shuffle step, pivot, shuffle left, and a step 3/4 pivot. Going on, we are going to do a grapevine, facing wall, 9 o'clock, step behind, step, but we're going to do a heel at the end of it. And then we're going to do another grapevine to end the dance, going to the left, step behind, step, and you're just going to tap that right one in because you're going to go into the sailor step right from it. So, you've just done your turn and you're going to go side, behind, side, heel, side, behind, side, tap. So, from the top, we have a sailor step, a sailor step, sailor step, sailor step. Kick 1, kick 2, and stamp and tap. Shimmy the shoulders, hip front, back, right. Shuffle, step, pivot, half a turn. Left shuffle, step, pivot, 3/4 of a turn. Grapevine, right leg with the heel. Grapevine, left leg with the tap. All right, let me do this next wall for you. So we have sailor step with the right leg. Behind, side, front, side. Behind, side, side. Behind, side, side. 4 times. Here come the kicks. 1 and 2 and stamp and clap. Shimmy with your shoulders, hip bumps 4 times. Shuffle with the right foot, step, pivot left. Shuffle with the left foot, step, pivot 3/4 of a turn. Grapevine with the heel and a grapevine with a tap. All right, let's do our third wall. And sailor step, behind, side, side, behind, side, side. Kick, switch, stamp and tap. Shimmy with the shoulders, a hip bump, hip bump. Shuffle forward, step together, step, pivot, half, step together, step, pivot, 3/4, grapevine to the right with a heel, grapevine to the left with a tap. Going on, alrighty. Let's do this leg, ready? And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, sailor, and a sailor. And a kick, and a stamp, and a clap. Shimmy with your shoulders, hip bumps, hip. Shuffle with the right step, half a pivot. Shuffle with the left step, 3/4 of a pivot. Grapevine with a heel, and grapevine with a tap. And that is it. So, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget the little button on the screen. You can slow it down if you need to. Remember, practice, and then you'll have it all up in the head. And please subscribe to my channel. I now have 121 subscribers, trying to get to 125. So make a comment and share with your friends. And I have posted the demo to this dance, so look out for it on my YouTube channel at Dance with Anne Leslie. Bye, have a great day.